What is the, first of all, you just understand my question. What is the purpose of using the superconstructor with props parameter?
To passing the other state variables, also this sir, other reducer, state reducer ready to accessing all is child class and parent class, child class. There are so many brand reducer to access all the reducer. This dot props we can use.
Okay.
Add brand management, we can also use uh, uh, list employee. Just so many using this dot props. This
Okay.
is
Okay.
this
First of
is
all,
due to
okay, okay.
super op using props.
Wait. I need an exact answer. Okay. I don't want that reducer and all. Okay. What is superconstructor? Okay. Inside we have super. Inside we have another parameter called props. Okay. What is the usage of this constructor? Why we need constructor?
To storing state variables.
Hey
To
man.
accessing.
Major purpose of constructor. It's not about creating the state variable and all. It's about creating
Purposing
objects.
event handling,
Hey
doing
man.
event handling.
You know what is constructor?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is constructor?
Constructor is used to initializing object, event handling,
Okay.
etc.
That's good. Then here, why we need super props?
To accessing another state, another in
To
project
accessing
state
another what?
parent constructor,
Hey,
child constructor, sir. Sir,
sorry.
sir,
Sorry,
in
Javier. Sorry. Actually, this is not an exact answer. Okay. Team B, you are ready to answer for this question? If yes, please click on that button. Yes. Ilakya?
Sir,
Yes.
super props is used to access inside the state. We 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 can access this that props inside the class.
Okay. Outside of the class?
Mm. Outside of outside of
Just
the
relax and just relax. Just relax. Purpose of super constructor. Super constructor with
super constructor is
props
used to call
argument.
the parent class.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Then
Then
please just wait. Anyone
okay.
recording? Yeah, Surya is recording. Thanks, Surya. Okay. Yeah, proceed. Accessing the parent class. Parent class, child class. Okay, other than
Mm. Then
thanks, timeout.
okay.
Already I am having my timer also, so okay. No one gets the point. Yes. Please check what is super constructor with the props argument. Why we need props? Without props, how that class component will behave? Whenever you guys are getting a class component in your applications, without a super props, how it will behave. Please check that one. Okay. Okay. My next question is, please team A captain and B captain, please hold on to the button. Okay. My next question is, what is controlled components? Yeah. Team A again. Yogalashmi.
Sir,
Yes.
controlled component, uncontrolled component, two types. Sir, control components, they own their own state components, sir.
Exactly. Then, fine.
And data is controlled by parent component only, sir.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. The control component is, normally we are creating a class component. Inside the component, we have the state variable and everything. Okay. So we can easily control our components. Okay. That's why they called as controlled component. Whereas you said uncontrolled components. So far, we did not search more than that. So I don't want the explanation of about. Yeah, fine. Okay. My next question is. Okay, now I am going to clear this one. Yeah. What about JX elements? Why we need that one? Team B. Srinidhi.
So React is basically from the JavaScript library, sir. So
Okay.
we have to implement a, JavaScript element for React.
Okay.
Uh,
JXX elements. JXX means.
JavaScript XML,
Okay.
Ja-
Extrem. Hmm.
XML elements.
Okay.
Uh, which is slightly differ from HTML elements, sir.
Okay.
But in React, JavaScript XML elements are used to uh, used to form the certain syntax by the React JS, sir.
Okay. How the browser will read?
Sir?
Actually, now we are using JXX element. Okay. Normally, browser don't know about what is JXX. How the output will be? Is there any conversation will happen while running the code using any additional technology?
Sir, this is used by the compilers. A JavaScript transformer will use
Yes.
it using Babel.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks. Once again, you just tell me your answer for students.
Basically, JX element is a JavaScript XML element. It is slightly differ from HTML elements, and this is used to implement the React
Yeah,
components
forms.
in the React.
Okay.
This can be used in the this can be uh, given to the compiler by using JavaScript transformer using Babel.
Babel. Okay, fine. Actually, normally the browser don't know what is JXX elements and all. Okay, so we need a special techniques to convert JX elements into normal JavaScript. Whenever we typed class name, okay, instead of class, we try to use class name. Okay, eventually when you try to use here, the class name should be translated into class. This is the browser readable one. So those technique are handled by Babel one. Okay. So if anyone ask you what is JX elements, you need to tell all those stories. Okay, what is JXX? As you said, creating the forms and all, we need to translate, we need to convert that into browser readable one, so that you need to tell all those stories about this one. Okay, exactly right answer, Srinidhi. Okay. Okay, now I have my editor JS Fidel. So here I have done some codings to creating simple components. Okay, please check the code. Check the code. I did some errors on that class component. Okay, you just need to tell me the major 3 problems where they are created. Okay, so shall I proceed with that one page? Guna and
Yes, sir.
Aparna.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you know the answer, please click on that. Please tell me.
Sir, there's a problem, sir.
Just wait. What problem?
If you open the Skype, the Google gets behind the background, sir. So
Sorry?
we can't see.
Yes,
If you
sir.
open the if you open the Skype, the Google gets behind the background, sir. I mean, we can see only a Skype or Google, sir, like this if you're editing or something. But if you ask question, we can easily open the Google tab page, sir.
Yeah, actually, you can see my screen. This
Yes,
screen,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Randomly, I am opening my another tab.
Sir, but we cannot be able to switch to the Google tab for clicking that.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just wait. Okay, I will ask this question at last. Okay.
okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
I will proceed with another one. Okay, you guys know about Redux. Please tell me about Redux and the top level directories. The flow of Redux. Again, team A. Aslam?
Sir, Redux is a global state management, sir,
Okay.
which acts as a container to store the states and all, sir.
Okay.
The flow of the Redux is there take place in 3 major categories. Those are action, reducer, and then the store. First,
Okay.
once the user clicks any button, some action will be performed. It will be transferred to the action file. There will be API hit. Those value and the type will be moved on to the reducer, which is stored in the action.
Okay.
From the action, we will get the action dot type so that we can get the name of that action. Within that, we can get the data as a payload, and we stored in the our state respective state, so that the value stored in the store, which will be provided to our app by connecting the Redux with the React Redux in the
Okay.
component,
Okay.
so that we can take the state to our call the state to our component, so we
Okay.
can easily use it, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Good. And okay. What is spread operator? Why we need this? Team B. Shivani. What is spread operator? Why we need? Shivani, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once again, I'm telling what is spread operator, why we need.
Spread operator we use in reducer, sir.
Okay. What is spread operator, why we need? Not only in this reducer, we can use it anywhere in our programming. I'm just asking what is spread operator. Team A, Priyadashini.
Sir, it can be iterable and expands like a string one, sir.
What is spread operator? Why we need? It is iteratable for what? This can be extendable. For what?
For an array like that, sir.
Okay, how you supposed to copy the object of an reducer? We will use some notations in our reducer also.
JSON notation, sir.
Nope. Wrong. What about the 3 dots? In your reducer, you ever seen 3 dots?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yeah, that is spread operator. Okay. I'm just moving with the other questions. Okay. Map state to props, map dispatch to props, bind action creators, and connect. 4 things. Map state, map dispatch, and bind action creators, connect. Soundarya?
The connect will connect the map state to props and map dispatch to props, the two component with the
Please,
with our component.
please, slow, little bit low. Connect. First one is
Connect the
yeah.
map state to props, map dispatch to props. It will connect map state to props and map dispatch to props with our components, with
Okay.
our class components.
With our class component. Okay.
Yes,
Then
then map state to props. Hello, am I audible, sir?
yeah.
Map state to props is for
Hello. Now your voice is not audible, Soundarya.
hello.
Yes, we can
The
hear
map
you.
state to props is to the it's to dispatch the
Map state to props for what?
reducers for it's for reducer to getting the reducers.
Okay,
to
getting the
getting
reducers. Okay. Okay.
Map dispatch to props is to dispatch the actions.
Okay.
Bind action creators is to bind the actions.
Why we need to bind?
To transfer from component to transfer it from the component to other places.
Other place? I need exact keyword. Component from what you're passing. Connect is okay. It needs to connect map state to props, map dispatch to props with our component. Fine. Map state to props, you said we need to gather all the reducers. That's also fine. Map dispatch to props, it's also fine. Bind action creators. Sundari, are you in the line?
Yes, sir. To pass the action, sir. To pass the action from one pass action creator, sir. Pass it from one place to another.
One page to from where? Where you need to pass your actions?
Values from component to action, sir.
Oh, value from actions. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, yeah, fine. Here I won't ask any question. Okay. Where const let? Super. Guna?
So variable constant is a global scope. So as a global scope, it does not change, sir. But variable.
Which one is global?
Sir.
Please tell me once again.
So constant type, sir. Constant variable type.
Okay.
Does not changes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. It has a global scope, sir, which means it can be run. It will stay same through the
Are you
program,
sure
sir.
constant variable is a global scope one?
I'm not sure, sir, but I'm sure it won't change, sir.
Okay, fine. That's fine. Then.
Okay, let variable has how to say it. I mean variable where and let both somewhat same, sir, but where can be accessed only within the function, sir, but let can be accessed everywhere through the function, sir. Is that right, sir? Or I'm confusing it?
Yeah, you are confusing and you are telling the irrelevant content, I guess. Once
Sir.
again, please take a deep breath. Please tell me the where const let. Please list
Okay,
out
sir.
that. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I guess where has a global scope, sir.
Yeah, fine. That's fine.
Okay. Then the constant and the let have the block scope, so which means they can be accessed only within the block or the function, sir. I'm
No, you
sorry,
are
sir.
fine. Okay.
Okay, sir. Where can be changed, whereas constant cannot be changed, and let can be also changed, sir.
Okay, that's two major thing is block scope and function scope. Okay.
Yes.
That's you need to mention here. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you,
Then, okay, good. Okay. Okay. What is the use of arrow functions? And please tell me the syntax. Oh my goodness. Jaivel.
Sir, one function name equal to greater than symbol flower bracket and this function dot sir this
Okay,
dot
fine.
this function, sir.
Okay.
This, in this function we cannot use bind, sir. Within
Okay.
inbuilt it is binded, sir.
Binded what?
All state this state variables, sir. Sir.
Then yeah, please proceed.
It has defaultly binding all state variables, sir. We cannot
Okay.
use bind externally, sir.
External in the sense? What do you mean external?
This dot bind outside the
Yeah, that's
state
the
variable.
only thing is here you need to tell Mr. Jaivel. Okay, bind this. Okay, other than you don't tell the complete components. Okay, exact thing is the syntax is fine. Okay, close and open. Okay, that's fine. First question itself you got stuck. Okay, my next question is, please make a note. Set state is an async or a sync? Why? Just wait. Yeah. Yeah, set state is
Sir,
async.
நான் பண்ணல sir. Okay sir.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, I did not clear that one. That's why. Set is a async or sync. Why? I'm again telling set is async or sync. Why? Srividya?
Sir, set state is synchronous one, sir.
Fine.
Uh,
Why?
Sir, we cannot set the values. Sir, asynchronously we cannot set the values to the variable.
Okay.
We have to set the value like one by one, sir.
Okay. That's completely wrong. Team B. Ilakya.
It is asynchronous. Sir.
Yeah, that's fine. Async one. How?
If any changes in the state, it will be updated in the set state, sir.
Okay.
If any changes in the set state function is inside a function, sir. It's called inside the function, sir.
Okay.
After set state has updated, the render will trigger.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, set is an async one. Okay. When you are whenever you are trying to change any value, okay, I'm telling you just go on to check after the session on click. Okay, writing any function, after you clicking this function, if you change any value for the particular state value, it won't appear after the next line. If you did the console.log this dot state something name, it won't print anything, but it will render only inside the render only. It will renders. Okay, that's why it's not a step-by-step process. Sync in the means whenever you are clicking the next line you need to get, but suppose we did not get the exact value whenever you are changing any state value. That's why set state is an async one. As Ilakya said, we will get the value inside the render. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. I need exactly the keyword. If you tell, then probably I will put a mark. Okay. Yeah, simple question. Why we need a router in React? Aslam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why we need a router in our React? And explain me why what is exact?
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Hello?
Yes, I can.
Sir, question is what is router?
React. Yeah, React router. Yeah, router.
React router. Okay, sir.
Yeah, and we used the exact keyword in the route. So
Yes,
what is exact?
First of all, React is a single page application. So
Okay.
if we want to have a multiple views in that page, for that purpose, we are using a router. Router is a process in which the navigation takes place.
Navigation takes place. That's cool. Yeah, that's good news.
Uh,
Then
Exact path is it checks completely, sir. The path will be checked completely, sir. Whereas the path will partially check this, sir.
Yeah, you are almost okay. Then proceed. What is partially and fully? That's we need in any. If you have any example,
Sir.
please.
Okay, sir. I can, sir.
Yeah.
For exact path, if we having a path like slash dashboard slash car type,
Okay.
the exact path will check completely, sir. This path will be checked completely. If only the given is path, then it will check partially, sir. The dashboard will be checked, sir. Not the other part of the path will be checked.
Okay. If suppose we miss the exact, then probably it will return the two components. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
that's cool. Yeah, fine. Mm. Okay. Again, package and package dot log JSON. Again, yeah. Priyadashni.
So package.json contains all the versions and dependencies that we have downloaded, sir. And package log.json will contain what version that we have downloaded will be used by when we upload the code in a Git repository. It will be downloaded by other friends, so that that friend will install the same version that I have downloaded, sir.
Which
So
one?
that is the
Package log.
purpose of package log.json.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. It contains all dependency packages that we have downloaded.
Telling everything is fine. Without package dot log JSON, I am unable to download the packages you are telling, right?
No, sir.
Then?
Using package log.json, my friend can install the same version that I have downloaded.
Then what about package dot JSON?
It will be used only with my site, sir. If I upload it in a Git repository, the package log.json file will be added, sir.
That's wrong. Team B Gayatri.
Sir,
Yes. We can hear you. Please tell me the answer. Package and the package log JSON. Okay, fine. I will move with another questions. Okay, my next question is why we need split and push functions in JavaScript. Wow. Surya, are you in the line? Surya. If
Yeah,
not,
bro. Tell me, bro.
yeah. What
Bro,
is
I'm
split
here.
and push? Yeah, I need answer.
What's the question, bro?
Split and push functions in JavaScript, man. Split and push.
That may use it to separate particular functions. Bro, that mean arrays for creating arrays, bro.
Which one?
Bro, are you here?
Which one? Yeah, we can hear you, Surya. Which one creates
That
array?
helps to create arrays in a string.
Creates array in string. Srividya?
Sir, split is to separate the string by using any separators or like space, like
Yes.
dot, like anything else, sir. Push
Okay.
is to push some data into an array or an object, sir.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, mute yourself. Yeah, exactly, Srividya, fine. Okay. My next question is difference between undefined and null keywords. Guna, please proceed with the.
So undefined means we didn't even define that name, sir. If it's
Okay.
null, which means we have assigned 0 to that variable name.
Okay. Other than?
Other than that, sir, null can be given to empty array and all.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Then undefined means, if example, if this is not imported properly and all, we will get an undefined error, sir.
Undefined what? Why will get?
Sir, what? Undefined?
When I will get undefined, man.
Sir, if the variable is not imported or not
Variable,
defined, sir.
please tell that one.
Okay, sir. If the variable is not defined or some or reducers, example, a reducer is not imported properly, then we get a undefined error, sir.
Okay, fine. If you're telling something, please use the major keywords. Okay, variable is the major here. Okay, we're telling we will get if suppose something. Okay. Okay. The other thing, please guys, you check with that type of. Okay, this one is a major one. You are telling, okay, if suppose I did not mention a variable name, whenever I'm trying to console, then probably it will give the undefined. Then the probably the same way. Okay, if you put a type of for the particular undefined and null, it will return something different. So you need to mention that also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. My next question is double equal and triple equal. Again, team B. I put a mark there yet. Srinidhi.
Sir, double equal to will check the two values, sir.
Okay.
And triple equal to will check with that state, sir.
State.
With the type double equal to will check the two values, sir.
Yes.
Triple equal to will check the type is correct or not.
That's only.
Sir, that's only, sir.
Okay. Team A. Jaivel.
Sir,
Double equal, triple equal.
sir, double equal to checks only the value only, sir. But
Okay.
triple equal to checks type and its value. Checks both double
Okay,
verification
fine.
takes place, sir. Triple equal to.
Yes. It will check values and the type of. Okay, not
Yes,
only the
sir.
type it will check.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You missed that part, Srinidhi. Okay, my next question is what is NPM? Yogalashmi.
Sir, npm is a node package manager, sir. It is used to manage all the packages which we are all installed in it. If we need to install any packages, we have to use that npm keyword, sir.
Okay. Please tell me any example.
Sir, npm install package name. If we need any version number particularly, we have to put at and mention the version numbers like that, sir. If and hyphen save. If we need to save in package.json, we have to put hyphen save, sir. Anything else, sir?
Yeah, that's fine. I put a mouse. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Render and return method. My next question is render and return in React. Oh. Aparna?
Sir, in React, class component uses render and React. Return. In return, we return the elements. I mean, the DOM. Every time any value changes in that component, rendering will be happening like where. So let me say an example, sir. Hello.
Yes, we are listening.
Okay, sir. Okay, let me relax. So returns at elements.
Gayatri?
Sir,
Render and return.
render is used to run the HTML file.
Okay.
Return is சார் ரிட்டர்ன்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே வந்து ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும் சார். ரெண்டர் வந்து HTML ஃபைல் வந்து இப்போ வந்து H1ன்னு இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது என்ன ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அந்த ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணும் சார். ரிட்டர்ன் வந்து அங்கே என்ன இருக்கோ அதை அப்படியே ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும் சார். கரெக்டா சார்?
Please try to speak
சாரி.
English.
Okay, sir.
Inside the return, what you give, it will returns. Okay, render, it automatically renders that. Okay, that
Yes,
is
sir.
machine readable one.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Okay. Shall I proceed with other question? Yeah. Thunk middleware. What is Thunk middleware? Shivani.
Sir, Thunk is a middleware which is used in Redux, sir.
Fine.
Actually, it is used to change the object or actions to the function which is understandable by Redux.
Fine.
And React.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Please tell me the life cycle methods. So far, what we are seeing, please tell me that one. Surya? Life cycle methods, man. You need to tell.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You mean Redux architecture, bro?
Completely you are out of the world, man. Life cycle method
No,
in
no, no.
React. I'm not asking about what is React and Redux something. Okay. Life cycle.
Component
Yes.
will mount. Component will mount. Component did mount. Component will receive props.
No, man.
So
We did
component
not use
update.
that. Uh, we did not use that. We used so far component did mount alone. But before that, you missed many functions. Priyadeshni.
Sir, there we have rendering phase, updating phase, and unmounting phase. Sir. Our rendering phase will contain a set of render phases. Sir. First, the constructor will be rendered, and then followed by the rendered function, and then by component did mount.
Yes, fine. Oh my goodness. Okay. My next question is, what is component did mount? Oh, Ilakya.
So after first time render, it get calls in comp.
Yeah. You are correct. You are correct. Yeah, tell.
After render, it calls the component it knows, sir, and it calls only one time. Sir,
Yes, please proceed.
that's how it said, sir.
You
First
said after render it will call. So after that,
rendering it. Yeah, yes, sir. It will call only once, sir.
okay.
Then
Okay, ma. After render it will call. Okay. Then we did not get a proper one. Every time you are stopped somewhere, waiting for my response. That's no need. Okay,
okay.
fine. Okay. Simple program. Okay. Oh, you guys can't see my screen now. Okay. Tell me the syntax to create the class component. Soundarya? I need
Class.
exact syntax. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Class name followed by extend react dot component the C capture react core capture curly braces
I
then
don't mention that also. Okay, you tell me the
render
X.
then render then return, sir, and it should be exported with the export default class name.
Okay. You feel miss anything? That's fine to create the class component.
We should import React from React.
I don't need inside the class component only. I'm asking. You are telling everything right. Class followed by the class name, then extends react.component. After that, render, return, then export default. That's fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Elements
Srinidhi.
inside render elements.
Sir, inside return we have to return something, sir, or else it will show error, sir.
Okay. No time will get the marks.
Said class
What about
component.
that? Okay. What about that constructor? Class component, we need to initialize object. So suppose we to create a constructor now. Inside the constructor, we should have a super props. That is a major thing here. Whenever you are creating a class component,
Yes, sir, but
he has to
without using constructor also we can.
sorry.
Sir, for simple page we without using constructor we can what we given
Okay,
return.
then probably Soundarya.
Sir, in Amber there is also there is no constructor, right, sir?
Yeah, that is a functional component. I'm asking about the class
Yeah,
comp.
but but we need also
Yes. Fine. I just
yes,
understood. Yeah. Without a constructor, we can create. Yeah. That's why I put a mark. Okay. Still automatically here there is a pop-up. It will come. Okay. Once the game time up, it will automatically comes. So I will ask questions before that. Please make your team to guess win. So team A captain and B captain, please hold on your button. I'm going to ask other questions. Okay. Why we need actions? Jayvel, I need the exact answer. Okay. Don't tell anything other than that.
To dispatch a function to perform some actions like incrementing, decrementing, or anything else. We inside the action we defined this function this work this perform specific function actions. Sir, it hits API URL and accessing data from the site, sir. Sir.
Sorry, I'm not convinced. Guna?
Sir? Sir, actions send the data to the store, sir.
Yappa. It's a payload of information, man. To send
Yes.
the
Okay,
data.
sir.
Yeah, I'm not speaking. I'm telling of to all the guys. Okay, it's payload of information. Whenever you are going with a Redux, it will tell action is nothing but payload of information. It will send the data to the reducer. That is, I'm asking what is. Okay. Okay. Please tell me some ES6 functions. EX6 ECMAScript. No team ready to answer, right? Okay. Question pass. You guys know what is fat arrow function? Const let.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is ES.
Fat arrow function is in ES6 function.
This is something ridiculous, man. Without knowing the concept, we are moving into the project. Fat arrow functions, const list, import. Before they used recur, now they use import. Okay, that's fine. Okay. One simple questions. Okay. Please tell me. Please tell me the flow to create an React app. Aparna?
Yes, sir. To create a React app, we have to first install that npm, then create React app with any name for that project.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next, sir, how am I supposed to tell it to create
What
from
are
the?
the ways? Suppose I am giving a clean laptop with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I
Okay.
need to install a React.
Okay, sir.
simple hi, hello word something. Okay. So what are the steps you supposed to get on a hi, hello word app in your desktop? Okay. I need the
Okay, sir.
exact one. Yeah, please.
Okay, so first we have to install that npm Node.js. Then
Okay.
npm install -g create React app uh, for globally installing the package.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Then to create a particular project, I'm going to give npm install create React app with that React folder name. I mean the project name.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, sir. It will be installing that node modules and something whatever important to that React. It will be installing.
Okay. Okay.
Sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
fine, fine, fine. Okay. My next question is, what is virtual DOM? Hmm. Srividya?
So DOM, first I said what is DOM? DOM is a document object modeling, sir. In that we are having two types, sir. One is real DOM, another one is virtual DOM, sir.
Okay.
In the project, we are having some state variables like brand name. When we are updating, it will get updated virtually, sir. Finally, it compares to the real DOM. What are all the changes happening in the virtual DOM that should be updated in a real DOM, sir?
Exactly. Okay. My next question. A team B, please. State and props. Wow. Shivani. State and props.
Sir, state function is the
State
heart
and
of sir.
yeah, yeah.
State is in
Yeah,
heart
yeah.
of
Please proceed.
component
Okay.
that can be changed within the component.
Okay.
Where props is a properties
Okay.
that cannot be changed inside the component.
Okay.
Props is
Okay.
normally used to transfer the data from one component to another component, sir.
Okay. Okay. I put a mark.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What is callback in steady state? Guna? Guna, what is callback? Are you looking the answer in mobile? Shall I pass these questions to Team A?
Guna, are you here?
Mic problem. Okay, instead of Team B, I'm asking this same thing with a different member.
Sir, Guna mic is not working, sir.
Yeah, please proceed the answer, Yelakya.
A callback function is executed after another function executing, sir. After another function finished executing, sir.
Okay.
Function is passed like arguments, sir.
Yes, fine, that's cool. It will wait some functions to execute the function.
Okay, sir.
That's correct. Okay, Guna, shall I proceed or not? should. Sending something. Just wait. Yes, please. He has the network issue, so probably he will reconnect. So meanwhile, we need to wait. Yeah, he joined.
Hello, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yes, we can.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Shall I proceed? My next question.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the limitations of React? Jayvel?
So, sir, it is flow state, sir, not big library, sir.
Actually, you don't say sir, okay? You just continue your answer, okay? After finishing your answer, I will ask some questions on that.
It is a small state, small state, not a small state library. And
Shivani,
Sir,
what are the limitations of React?
React is a large size library, sir, but it is not fully blown, which means it is not a framework like Angular.
Yeah, that's
Then,
cool. Then
it is difficult for coding, sir. For newcomers, it is difficult to code in React.
okay, it is not on a framework, okay? It is a library. Like you said, it is not a complete framework. If you go with an Angular, it is in a framework, so anyone can easily understood because of it has a nature. It has some certain folder structures. Here we need to put our HTML files. Here we need to do our models and all everything they configured. So it is easy to understood any newcomers. For in React, it won't have any structures to follow the newcomers. We need to create our own structures. So probably the newcomers don't get a clear cut idea of what is React and all. Okay, that's
Okay, sir.
yeah, good. Okay, next questions. List keys and fragments. List key and fragments. Mm. Oh my God. Is there any problem to clicking the button or else no team is ready to answer the question? Abarna and Guna. Oh my goodness. List key.
Sir? No, sir.
Nothing. Okay. Oh my goodness. Game over. Oh God.
இல்லப்பா சார் போயிட்டாரு, வருவாரா?
தெரியல, ஆனா கேம் ஓவர்னு வந்துருச்சுல்ல, நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூனால அப்படி வந்துச்சா?